Okay, it's Thanksgiving. The attitude of gratitude. Okay, I love this time of year because I love gratitude. Matter of fact, one of my affirmations is, I am gratitude. So if you think about this, if you ever want to get super grateful, anytime, anywhere, okay, just remember this, you already won the lottery. Okay, you're like a billionaire. Just becoming human and alive, if you think about the math that goes into that, it's amazing that you're alive. Then you factor in that you live in the best country in the world. Think about this. What are your hands worth? What are your arms, your legs? I mean, it's pretty amazing that you can do whatever you want every day in the best country in the world. And if you're in real estate, now you're in the best business, working for the best company. The list goes on and on, okay? Family, friends, we have so much to be grateful for, especially in this country, I believe. So have yourself a happy Thanksgiving. Look forward to seeing you soon.